Ketheka mutegero uru TV ngucokere nkatho cha mwanya mono nutubakona kanya kwithiro kigwatana na ugima ni utonga ugorobo na aru aja ni tuthatwe na kagita gake gakwariria mantu jara ja kuringithia ugima bwaku bwa mwiri tukubona turenda kwariria mantu jegie umenyeri bwa AAJIE ba cancer ituje cancer ni twikite kironda gikinene mono kiri county ya Meru na tuketha tukiona utungata bwa murimo juju na kinya WIRIGIRO buria sibitari ya KIRUA Mission Hospital ikuretera bara pagwitia utungata bwa thina ya cancer woni betagwa ntinya KINYA turi na ataalamu kuma kiri sibitari ya KIRUA Mission Hospital tora ndarikia kugweta abatukethie batwire marita jao na ngugira bomba kuthobagita kiri sibitari ira karibuni sana ibaga nutubakona kanya kuja korana about ugorobo na arua aja kiri WIRIGIRO TV atwanjirie na ugo unkwirite MUCHUI kethe mutegero WIRIGIRO TV turerita yaku na ngugira wita KIRUA Mission Hospital.
Okay, mweni muthikiri wa muthikina mutegeri wa WIRIGIRO TV barito mbitwa MUCHUI GODFREY titangwe sibitari ya St. Mission Hospital KIRUA ki department ya oncology stroke palliative care services. Yes, and the team in terms in that department.
Okay.
Yes.
Karibu sana. Kinya karibu Kinya kwa tukethio turerita yaku na kirogita.
Beta wa charity Kinya Karudhania. Beta ndi nurse ICU cia twana na emergencies cia twana.
Karibuni sana okaire atwanjire na ugwe MUCHUI ngwigo ogwetanu itango gikiri arwangirwa oncology na palliative care ndene ya KIRUA Mission Hospital so marieto aja manene mono kiri matuza oni na kinya mutegero WIRIGIRO TV ndira tukuga palliative care turimanisha ate ungwa na inya anto bamwe bego matuja uberigaira mbuga je nare ura Nairobi kiri sibitari inge inene ani matuja karikaga oaja KIRUA.
Okay, thank you Betty to that question. Basically, palliative care is a basic thing. Not wise, one of the basic human rights. Na hiyo atakutia utungatira ki sibitari. Na basically ukiakwila ki definition ya palliative care to an holistic approach. Na hiyo kunatata ukundi na mwachie, kinyadhi mwachie wa cancer, mwachie na HIV, mwachie na hypertension, mwachie na sukari. And it can involve even the family members. So basically it's an holistic approach which is focused on both addressing the quality of life to both the patient and the family at a large extent. And
tije kethera okiuga u tije kethera je bakansa benda umenyeri bo mwanya tije kethera kwe bobetha bakinyite gukambuga ipena ke buku manage ku stage ikinya ukana nde tuge for example muntu gakumenyerwo na inkwenda kwero menyeri bubu ibo ina gani kithera ibo kagita konthe kana ibo stage na
Okay, basically that mantu ya cancer kana aspect ya palliative care to mantu that care yambia from diagnosis na hiyo ndio cancer kana thina hypertension kana thina ya sukari au niyo palliative care ya mbirairia. Yes.
Aya na kinyano tukugweta twinde tuije cancer kironda gikinene mono aja ujo county ne ya Meru. I think to one of the top counties barabatongeretie na county na thina ya cancer ndene nthiguru ya Kenya. I motungata jariku generally ja KIRUA Mission Hospital za gutetheria kiri kumenya na kurigita cancer.
Okay, basically key department ya KIRUA it is a comprehensive unit although key services to be the key outsourcing nunto kiagula ki mwai chora ina na diagnosis ya cancer because one of the basic thing kedawiro ina the cancer no mo ko ina kintu kitwa histology that ke kanyama karitero ka kepate ku emwere kata kuthimo ka prostate ko ina mbi wina cancer even to tumor is a rumor, tissue is the issue. Okay, I could tena kintu kyo confirm that obo ina the cancer, then you tell the candidate to ambi wakanji that aspect ki oncology department. Number 2, ke the service that you do offer ki mwacho aira confirmed na the cancer. Although the cancer ni ya categories na amount mwanya no tuki chitu solid tumors na ki that cancer chiambi chandamu. But ki mwacho aira when a basic histology results itwenda kumenya kumaitu without with yangi to staging workup kia tumia kwa thina yeku stage 1 stage 2 stage 3 stage 4 au ne basically with that no the bit ya mantu ya palliative kana diagnosis kana treatment no ya ambiraidia na during that process mwache tumia just ikintu kenda a lot of care like kuna mwache that ukwa diagnosis na thina cancer information itida risk kumi observe kana wira mwache uwa atiki like just like wira mwache wina malaria cute it means under sentence kuna those perception na kuna bwa antibiotic about cancer so ke ukiando this delicate client because ke mwache yawa mwira wina cancer and that becomes the end of wasn't like the patient anymore anapotea na kipotea so basically it means a lot of care even how you package the information ya kura mwache wina the cancer it means a lot to one how the patient will perceive the information. Number two, it can matter even in terms of mwachi even the subsequent follow-up. Wewe mwira maybe royo uwe itakwenda kwambia chemotherapy. Itakwenda odingwa mbicha yengi now. It like the basis on how to handle this client. Ndio mwachi wakati not 1 year, or even maybe 2 years. Imwachi mbele release umra maybe cancer kwe kwora. It is 5 years. 5 years tikintu kidogo.
Atutagi charity inkumenya umba kwithira mono gitaniria ngugi na twana na kwerogoko kwa palliative care iti medical care kana ti utungata bwa ndawa na bwa hospitali inyaibwa emotional na spiritual support nuturita na iria ngugi na twana mbuga in experience mbuga cheri bombita kwithwa bakijukia ta ndira diagnosis ya twana eja ina cancer imbibugita kwithwa buki ba support na how important is it mwajo cancer kwithwa ina support system na rumite nja gutigira na kuumba mundu gwetwa cancer
ampwe cancer kiana nintu kithira kina inya muno wa accept ya we muciari na rira we in that wound na we kwa muciari akwira mwana we na cancer no yes no lera we ukiara twiri kwira wa utibati kwithia we sympathetic lakini tubati kwithia tu empathetic na patient but remeno feel yo kailia mwana o nindi akaria mto fulani ya mwana fulani wisie ya mwana oroku otiete nja nithera untobo nene muno ke asiari ndirabairi ana baba kundiagnose na cancer na itofili sana tete tutefili itofili nyethe tutirira maybe musiari akona kwinera wika kwa nkorone ukaisi express maybe weta away from musiari weta ukaririra ki yani ondia wakara yakayo we kwero we musiari mwana kwena murimo yoyo cancer
how important is it kana kuri na gitumi kiri kugutigira antiparabenja endwa ndugu atore iba kuyika mutore aurerwe na cancer kiri safari ya ntumijeri mwako bobo beja hospitali bongwa okegongea akiwa kithi muchere kuganti kwenda kwirana bakwa nkabanogia kimathuganio how important is it kuthira mtu na support system na rumite
support system we na mtu umite ni there na maana sana no mtu atemenya kuoka alone this journey it's a hard journey na nenda withira wina ntu bagwitania we kwanza kinda wira witite kwewa keithini biwitite kubithirwa mbise icio nthe witite kuringwa utiomba wi wenga nibio ntona bamwe bate usiomba no ntukaithia kwithira mantu bamwe cie bate kukwata njara kukwata mbaru ke mantu yao kubithia ya cancer ibio ntona bamwe iba ukwara kana ntubate na mtu batethia
aya MUCHUI tukara mono na nya tukithoma news tukiuga cancer ibadeni nene lakini nontu mbije no kuona AAJIE uri frontline mbuga i mithembere ku ya cancer mbuga bukuona mono hospitali me ya KIRI Mission Hospital kire Antwarume kire Kuru na Kinya kire ana ni mithembere ku ukone ngenti mono kagitena gaka
okay basically that kiuria kiu ke based on statistics na makwenda kuna something kuitata ukuona reference from na ke ukyakuthika kithingi lubukan ineto ya some statistics although we rely on NCI National Cancer Institute neto ito ya distribution of those cancers na basically from the report kana ke tukiagula kithiki patient na bo kuina almost the same kulingana na projections chiambi cha NCI nonto ukiagula kithiki cancer of the cervix ke antwekoro cancer of the cervix and the breast each of the leading ke cancer of the prostate ke men na esophagus they are still there which are very common na ke twana ke ngitwa Williams tumor that is nephroblastoma very common ke children cancer ya kidney ke twana because we have a number of children basically ke yoto wa okay akula ke they to meet some misconception ya mantoma inge bawa cancer ne antuba nene lakini okay akula ke the numbers that we have ke department we have children who have those diagnoses ni tate ni ko necessity that as much as we talk about the aspect of screening we talk even about screening the children to be the risk factors that are involved. Yes.
Ninkwaga ire kuingia kana myths and conceptions ire kuingira umba kuthirwo kigua ira wenda kujukia kanyaga kagutamburukia kana kuga bobote uma kana bobo ni urongo.
Okay, basically ke misconceptions ire nyingi mno. Nonto one ke vina cancer babangi ba shiftina witchcraft. Ke mwacho ke yadware I maybe diagnosed na cancer cervix or cancer of the breast or the prostate lakini yakanje kuwa ke mto kandaro someone because to maybe a dispute in munda or something lakini botuma we have evidences na tunabi risk factors that predispose mtu that one of those that specific type of cancer although generally to the direct cause of cancer but we have predisposing factors bobo ngina buo obuda kwa rengi apart from with the linked na adults even children by that by iba the same cases tia tori tukwa to any cancers so cancer te anto bana yake even children now getting the same conditions tia cancer the other bit is ikuwa cancer itemea kwa treated locally that is false non to cancer it can be treated locally nyoka like the infection to tumor Kenya ne want to bring a lot of expenses kita tu mbi kuma with India or with other countries those services that we don't have of course of which I don't believe currently but currently the government is doing a lot with that to provide those services. Then the cancer can be cured locally. Number two, the last point is if the cancer is not curable, that is false. Cancer can be cured. It basically depends on what you are stage cancer of the disease because like the goal of treatment that you or treatment a specific client maybe cancer of the breast, cancer your stomach, cancer of the prostate mwache ai stage 1 stage 2 stage 3 iba the goal of treatment kinya da kwa mambiria surgery kana chemotherapy kana radiotherapy ikuida kuna goal of which kidi mwache stage 1 the goal of treatment basically the cure of course what will be done may be combined modalities cheku akabithirwa surgery akabithirwa chemotherapy akabithirwa radiotherapy the goal of treatment is cure kimwache ke stage 2 na stage 3 of course we do treatment God has the other bit no to mwache stage 2 stage 3 the goal of treatment is no longer cure but you control it is control the disease the other bit mwache is stage 4 of the disease mwache the goal of treatment is that keep at your 100% cannot control this, but you have to make this patient comfortable. Number one, you have to relieve pain. Think of person who has which is bleeding a lot. Mwachenye da chemotherapy na radiotherapy, one it could relieve, na could reduce suffering. So the whole intent of mwacha stage 4 it could reduce suffering na quality of this na ini palliative intent. Yes.
Charity kiuria kiranga kuria twachokera ntutukujukia kagitaga kaikunogoka inkondo huo akuga te umati cancer etiorani ora lakini wije mbere kureo uthimwe menyekane mapema but pia imbije uria mindset ekwikari kana uroka jukiria mantu jau mentally ijaomba kwithoja kiringithia bunene nontu antu babengi badaguna sawa ukethire nyamo rijo tathira iba pasile kuringana na uria mantu joje abaritu irite kiria kiri ugatuchokire nyume kagita gatekra jamutegero ruti biri kana no arani about ukurukira 23578 ijire ithato ithano mugwanja inyanya na mbeje SMS yetu tina marei kinya jareko nkuruki no ithirwe ugitiga comment ya kukurukira mutandao wa Facebook kana kinya YouTube ratuli live kana wenda imokwe mukagitene gaka kebebe mutambo tuchokerete na rwarero.
AAJIE ni WIRIGIRO TV.
Keke kabeja na kamutu wake
kenda nje kwitherema nekara nice. Siri ni mutujo nice extra premium.
Mutindi ngiya na kamusere
inyaju twena jua mbishori kuma nice rice millers mwea
moguri wa kinyandu kene etia motujwa nice extra premium nkima ya motujwa nice extra premium eja nampwe ena mushamojo muthongi na ni kwetaga ugwe na nje ku nutrients na shio chabatisha nice extra ngano itio mainya shiarara ne imboro na imure mutheri motutujonge ne nice extra premium.
Mom, hii ugali ni tamu na ni kweli. Siri ni nice.
Watu we na kioria yende kithia kana no kwenda gwikira ode kuringa thimo namba 0729 661 667 kana 0755 200 197.
Ji nice na nice extra premium.
This is a people's game. They will be bubbling about this one for weeks and months to come.
Wase, iko on. Kila game ina mata. Reconnect now. Dial *423#.
Amona nteto ira chejete themo nusu
yara to kudhurania kirindato cia weru urataini mutujwa layer premium fortified sifted maize meal na layer premium all purpose fortified wheat flour kuma kiri kampuni ya New Palea Millers. Layer premium, nurturing the world.
DMK kiogora kugaga atongeria kuringa ndebe ya kumarukia thirikari ya Rais Ruto utongeriene. Ngwataniro ya arimi baka wa Meru kwigeka kurungamwa kwa mutaratara jwa kuri arimi gotena society gatigati. Mukaririgite wa budget Meru kumeneria mbondi ya uthurania bwogoti akiuga ni bakuozania tubeta tukai nkurukia kithimi. Tugakuretera gichunche kia biere kia riboti ya mwanya makinyene za kuagirithia ogima. Themwa nusu ni nteto nkuruki na oni Maureen Kinya.
Kiwanda cha Duralong Mabati. Tuko na bidhaa mbalimbali kama vile Duralong Versatile, Duralong Roman Tile, Duralong California Tile, Duralong Texas Tile, Duralong Home Tile na Duralong Box Profile. Vyote vinapatikana kwa rangi tofauti na kwa bei nafuu kabisa. Pia tuna vifaa vya kuunda paa la nyumba yani roofing kama vile roll tops, ridges na misumari. Kwa maelezo zaidi piga simu kwa nambari 0710 120 590 au 0110 581 292. Fanya order misaada yako leo ufurahie ofa kubwa na ya kipekee ukinunua bidhaa zetu. Mabati ya Duralong ni imara na hudumu hata katika hali mbaya ya hewa. Tuna huduma ya usafirishaji wa haraka na wa kuaminika kote nchini. Masharti na vigezo kutumika. Duralong Mabati, your ultimate roofing partner.
Wait.
Lea Premium Flour, nurturing the world. Available in a store near you.
AAJIE ni WIRIGIRO TV.
Chokire nkatho cha mwanya mutegero WIRIGIRO TV no ntwagweta na mbere kurumira ugima ni utongo gorobana ro turi na KIRI Mission Hospital turi ariria mantu jegi Utungata Bwa Cancer ire twikete kironda gikinene muno ndene county ya Meru. Ibwaga no ntubabara bagutona kurukira Facebook na WIRIGIRO TV live bitawa gachocho MC aruga good evening Frank Njero ngotike buku mumenya aruga team from St. Teresa Mission KIRI. Ketheka sana ni ibwaga no tupakugwatana na bautwe mbere tumaruka charity ngukarinde gukuria how important it is kana gitumikia kwithura muntu uria kajukia mantu jaja bugana kiongo kia kana mentally bugatethia bunene gutigira na kurwa bwaga na mpanga ya cancer.
Okay, kampuwe ilingana na information yim twaewa na bura ukaithira we information ya cancer nonto I personally the indare affected na my brother died of cancer.
Sorry.
Na mbere aya kumenya cancer eneo anjere was wikiu aka wikiu kiumwasia akanywa omeprazole aita kimesi akanywa ndawa mwanka itarimo da kinyanje ya o aluka anjira kwa yellow twe kwa anjira kwa aluka kwa yellow maeldo ile tere sibitari airwa ina hepatitis B lakini daktari benda kumiani mbionto ina hepatitis B yumete na ari mto mimbia nyata unya ari aunoki sana ari mto family era ute mo associate na manto as in manto tuwe ya ulevi nambi but later ibe iro muira ina cancer ya liver ende ustuka kura my brother astokire nitu ina nderi into sana kienda aitanga India airia eta India atedhuka but weta nara India aitire airwa nanga kaikirwa ki life supporting machine otherwise airwa cancer when ari spread to the major organs inde soka Kenya bora sokere nasumye bira sokere bikai atari no ntosuka bora stokere indikana imbira tata I'm dying the Lord oni tande dari mu maramari lakini Mungu nakoni muritirite ngwe lakini atari ariere na exhausted kila kitu kwa familia ile ya na kwenda kwende kienda sio diranda wakana bithedi onto fulani but later ito amolusire so after that na alafu my aunt no anjira kwa watu ania sinsi akanjira kwa mumero yo na murimu later diagnosed throat cancer inde kumeita runda itrende na interest sana ya kusupport antu baba tu sio baba ina cancer oninya ondita kwena onto bwa maybe cancer maybe abo support cancer patient antitherande na irangi sokia mbitherande front line kienda tombo support antu bano ntote kwenda withira wena murimu yo cancer
kiri mtu rembuga ukaraki wa kwena kathina fulani kiri mwiri jwae indageta kanywa panado kana atite gutegerwa na inye ina thinere umba kuthira kimwera atogoro banaro
oni anto abareke uitiri tibongwa Ote twira hakuna mganga njigangi eta sibitare ikiria nto baba ena ujuzi bakwenda baba kumenya thina opitia niriku na waita sibitari mapema kwamba kuirwa thina winio na kwamba otethika mapema na kethira tuwe maybe tuwe cancer God forbid bukomba shughulikirwa mapema na ukabwa.
Muchui urithugane niki antu baraga kuja sibitari ni ugua bwa kuja kwirwo na gintu gikinene ikwaga umenyo bwa extent bwa jogu twirire bwa stage mbere na ijiri ne gitaburia kana abakira ngarama.
Basically most of the patients together they want distribution of those cancers to the Choki department. Very few patients, even less than 10%, between stage 1 and stage 2, with advanced diseases, which means near the metastatic disease. Kumaanisha that the new metake the primary site, yatake another organ. Now, one of the reasons, one is no knowledge. Knowledge, I think I know how yakuwa. I can seek further guidance. An example, think about the H. pylori. They are very common in bacteria. Going about twitching, but H. pylori once, twice, thrice. Is stage 4 disease, cancer of the stomach. No, without knowledge, kuna knowledge deficit yambi ya kwedrambi otukumeba kubibya kana kuwa ni ascend ni omepraso. Iwo tu kinyaki the clinician or health care wakora kwa attend to this patient na but kwedana eye suspicion index no tobwambi akada kemenya thina go treated wa ina mwacha kwa tomorrow with the same complaints then I should refer this patient.
Okay.
Number 2, key aspect ya ingetuita prolonged TAT kana turnaround time. Key mwachi kwa yonya kata chipita da yinke to gedimi wiki key ya 2 weeks 3 weeks. No kwa mwachi tata aisha yafu kumunya kwa tata kusikimo guidance hakeme yake gedimi akabidi wake take long. Sasa the other bit is kuna those kwa kit awareness. Mwachi wakamenya bumbat kubidi in time tiku postmonibi anems
aya na kuwa kwa awareness mono imbije kure mambura bwena jorua.
Yes.
Mbira izae burize tatea na moroto jayo ijweko.
Okay. Basically mambura tunayo ya this month as we celebrate breast awareness month tuina initiative it was launched last year, it was up against cancer. Na initiative launched out of it was an need based no to the numbers that we see in the clinic kanaki as an institution. One no to with that initiative against cancer initiative ya ina maono yao ya dhatu no to bambere ya no to cases ziko achia advanced to bridge the gap on aspect and diagnosis of cancer, treatment and rehabilitation. Voto bat kudiria mwache tate knowledge aka ni pagi this information mwache kama that nyeda kwa na cancer tine sentence. Number 2 yare part ya increase awareness. Okay, akula kile yonto ya part to as Sintesa Mission Hospital eti boundaries cheku anga ato safu amero. Okay, akula kile yonto ya last month, that's not last month but the month of June it were Karigi is the lower parts of Marsabit County. Na aim ya to because of the Hope Against Cancer initiative, most of the patient key distribution to get with some follow up kana toka bidengi to akoti patient wengi to rabu meta Karigi na baya with advanced diseases. The other bit is to about ku initiative ya ile to bako enhance a positive social cultural aspect to be preventing and to ku ya na tena cha cancer ya advanced. Basically you ya part ya Hope Against Cancer no kiagula kita yonto ya calendar of event ya facility to in every month to celebrate some cancers. This month we talk about breast cancer. Na tukia kimata breast cancer ikuwa tuna substrate services kita yonto chia ultrasound kwa mfano. Wakona kita normally okay ya kudingwa ultrasound ya breast either 500 but as we celebrate this month neither I guess it will be almost half or even 1,000 or even 700 shillings as a way of supporting the initiative na get more client on board. Number 2 ke that part ya ash bado ikwitha kwina as we provide this aspect ya kwaya na awareness ki calendar of events ki cancers tumbikia ko screen na kingi we talk about them. An example to go to screen cancer of the pancreas, it's a bit hard, but you can give that audio education to clients.
All right.
Na bocha litia atuira that when ajitia brother gonna tanimbi yellow. We can advocate for kithi mwaje to about that part of information.
All right.
Wale like the to ya the screening services kana outreach services tunachio basically na here ki institution based to the 12 na medical camps to the 6 of them which are targeted.
Okay.
Meaning patient babonde baira ki kirwa ki oncology ka ba diagnosed itu itato obedire nginyi mato tukaenda comment distribution ni achi bana bamwe Saudi menti ni achi bana bamwe tigene east kana tigene west kana buri.
Okay.
Then with that nitunga ndiko menyambi there is more problem keburi can we address this. Into it kile to Elizabeth ikwaina need ino to aspect yambi ya distribute of these diseases.
All right.
Yes.
Twina ndeka inyake mbuga charity no twire mambura jo intariki ingana jakethwa jena ni activities mbuga chiku ikethiro kithithi kantu kwi.
Okay. Mambura ile tariki 18th this October. Na turethira twina cancer screening. Tukethira twi screen patient baraba kaithira ba volunteer kweya. Pia tukethira twina activities za fundraising pia. Kwanza to create awareness about the cancer, then kuna activities pia ya fundraising kenda tomba usaindia nto baba cancer baba kiusiomba. Na pinya kugethira kuna football tournament on the same day ya tukethira toke pithakia.
Bwana walk?
Yes, it is a walk that day. Na irithira yumite kuma Kirwa ite mwanka Kinoru Stadium.
Muchwikiri mtu rawenda kuvolunteer kana kugwata mbaru initiative yenu na in any way bugomba kubukinyira ata.
Okay, basically ki bombe kilutera ki hope against cancer to in a prospects kinya kwa tuka because we are reaching different people through the different platforms. Ki machi ambike kudana a client ambike kudagi wandata the idea this initiative by offering a cycle of either chemotherapy ki machi wa inabi aina cancer kana I can support with aspect nya diagnostic machines kana kinya ki they supplies each and kagedi part ya chemotherapy I can support through the same initiative. You can fund your contribution to in a pay bill you support hope against cancer, that is 3030. That is pay bill. Na account number is 366 ash. We support that initiative. Yes.
Aya ugebwa kubwa muthie wenda kugatea charity mbere tu maruka.
Onugo mbitia kwira nto. Cancer the life sentence. Na nyaithra wina cancer ukalose hope nonto. Hope wiriro bobo tuma tutura ntiurwe. Na baraba ina asia bena cancer po abatianiria kabisa passport-ni itarere hiri omokebo na tuwe tumurungu abadharima na support yenu. Pia ndomba kuwa pia poto support the hospital on 18th ana nyethe ani kumire yaku na renyethere isiringi 5 uwacio tethia mto cancer ndomba kuwa rentere ngumu andire mto cancer siringi 5 na that account number 30 okay pay bill 30 account number 366 ash.
Buruga haraka.
Sorry.
Buruga haraka mona ugebagwo muthia muchuyu gitucokeria pay bill eu tukithire kaira tena less than a minute.
Okay, ki to me kuda diagnosed na cancer theo death sentence started kaua. There is life after diagnosis, and number 2 kuna those myths and misconceptions ya cancer is treatable na cancer ti kuwa that all is lost. There is quite a lot can be done to support this cancer patient. Na basically kikiwa charity mantu ya nyeda tuna hope against cancer tago to could that from other as a facility to partnering corporate social responsibility is not there. To another activity to itambi asibitari. We take care of the vulnerable children in the village, the bright children. Kenya those homes you provide these children by nabi by neglected like the one you do in Machaka and there's one in Elementaita as one of the corporate social responsibility. Nini ki aspect on there, as much as we support nyeda to gang up ki aspect ya hope against cancer, we have other responsibilities. Yes, na support you on there, you can channel to pay bill number 303030, account number that is 3366#. Yes.
Pega sana tubakona kanya kuija korana bautwe buja kairi na kairi bugetera cancer against hope initiative kinya kenda buja weze any time around the year. Aya mutegero TV nagwe ndire ukenda Utungata Bwa cancer kana nwije muntu ukenda Utungata Bwa cancer tirasima witoka chwe utethio kuraja no ithiro gikinya kiri sibitari ya Kirua Mission Hospital no kethirwa bugitetheka na kwe umenyeri burea bukwendeka kenda bumba kuthaba nagwe kinya kiri safari ya kurona mpanga ya kansa mwanka kime kingi ithirana kagita gake gambita gwantinyari kinywa jo kari mubango jogi Utonga.